Hello friends, let's know how to find out square within 30 seconds. So we know a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So using this one I can find out square within short period of time. That means I will show you an example. Let I want to find out 43 square. So I will consider 4 as a and 3 as b. So here I can write a square, 2ab and b square. So what will be a square? That is 16. What will be 2ab? That will be 24. And what will be b square? That is 09. So I have to write like this 09. From the 10th place I have to write 24, and from the here 10th place I have to write 16. So now adding this, that will be 9, 4, 8 and 1. So the square of 43 is 1, 8, 4 and 9. Let's see another example. I want to find out square of 78. So in the similar way, I will consider 7 as a and 8 as b. So what will be a square? That is 49. Now 2ab, 7 8 are 56, 2 are 1, 1, 2, and b square, that is 8 square, that will be 64. So here I can write 64. From the 10th place of 64, I have to write like 2, 1, 1, and here from the 10th place I will write 9 and 4. Now adding, this will be 4, 6 to 8, 0 and 6. So the square of 78 is 6084. Let's see another trick, but this trick is applicable whenever the number is around 100. If I want to find out square of 97, here I have to consider 100 as the base. Now 97 is 3 less than 100. So here 3 square, that is 9, and I have to write 09 because I am considering 100 as the base. Now again, if I subtract 3 from 97, that will be 94. So if I write 94 before 9, and that is the square of 97. Let's see another example, that is 92. If I want to find out square of 92, so here 92 is 8 less than 100. Similarly, if I find out square of 8, that is 64, again subtracting 8 from 92, that is equals to 84. So if I write 84 before 64, so this is the square of 92, that means 8464. Let's see another trick, but this trick is applicable whenever the unit place is 5. Let's see an example, 35 square. The unit place is 5, so square of 5 is 25. The next number of 3 is 4, so whenever I multiply 3 with 4, that will be 12. So the square of 35 is 1225. Let's see another example, 65 square. The unit place is 5, so the square of 5 is 25. The next number of 6, that is 7. 7 6 are 42. So the square of 65 is 4225.
मोबाइल फोन और सांगसाथी आपण पिलाटीर पाठपढ़ा और कैरियर को प्रभावित करुछि कि आपण सेति विवृत कि तेबे आज ही आसंतु आपण चाहुथिबा मन लागी संपूर्ण आवासिक स्कूल टीएससी गुरुकुल गोठपाटण भुवनेश्वर।